Hi guys, I'm RV Sibalis from BSMT-14. Our topic for today is about an HIV awareness or HIV or AIDS awareness. So, alam naman nating very common ito sa mga seafarers nowadays and also sa maritime students like us. So, we need to know the causes and preventive measurement to prevent us from this kind of diseases like HIV and sexually transmitted diseases like STDs. So we need to know how to prevent this kind of disease and using condoms and be less on sexually contact, and early detection is the most important and crucial in this topics, because if you detect the HIVs earlier, so you can counter the effect of this HIV. So early detections and use condoms for safe sex and less contacts for the non-identified environment like internationals like that. So thank you for watching. Bye.